Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for clicking this video. I really appreciate it. Today is gonna be another hair video and I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys how did I get these protective styles. So those are some Senegalese twists, I believe, and it was really easy to make. It took me only about 6 to 7 hours total, so I know that seems very long, but since I did them myself and it's my first time doing them, I think this is pretty good. So I'm super excited to show you guys. Before we start the video, let me tell you that when I filmed, I was kind of sick. I wasn't really sick, but I had some allergies. So I was just really sleepy and really kind of like everything was swollen and itching. So if you see me not as happy and motivated as usual, this is why. I'm sorry about that. But I still hope you get to enjoy the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumb up and comment down below if you want me to try anything for you guys, you know, like if there's anything you're thinking about and that you want me to try an experiment basically for you, just let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see more videos like that, also subscribe to my channel, okay? Okay, so we can jump into the video. Hey guys, so as I was saying, today we are doing twists and I'm gonna do a little tutorial for you guys. So if you're feeling like doing twists yourself, you know, it's quarantine, it's kind of time to do that. Just, let's do it together. Okay, so we have everything ready to start. I'm gonna show you the hair that I'm using and then we can jump right in. The hair that I'm using is from Rasta Afri. It's actually from Kanekalon. Okay, so that's the brand. And the line is called Rasta Afri. Those are so cheap. It was usually $4 per piece and I have 5 total. But I'm gonna get into that later. But yeah, this is the hair. And the color is actually a mix of 2 colors. It's T27 and 613. So check out the description box below. Hold on, there is a little fly that keeps just flying around and I just want her to get out. Get out of here. You're not welcome. You're not welcome here. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm gonna put all the information that you need to get this hair in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. But yeah, this is the hair, looking fantastic. It pretty much feels like any other braiding hair. I like it. So yeah, I think we're ready to start, you guys. So first things first, I prepped my hair yesterday. So I shampooed my hair, I conditioned it, deep conditioned it, and then I applied some styling products. I detangled it as much as I can, but my hair is so hard to detangle, so I'm still gonna have to detangle it today. Okay, so the way we're gonna do this is that we're gonna divide each of the 5 packs into 5 pieces. So in total, I'm gonna have 25 pieces for 25 twists. Okay, so I am done detangling my hair. For the bottom part, at least I still have the front part to detangle, but we will do that after. So as you guys could see, I tried to make a very straight line at the back of my head. And this is gonna be the bottom section and I'm gonna have 3 twists there. And that's why I divided this bottom section in 3 areas. And this is like the left areas. We have the middle that I put up and the right one that I put up just to make sure that it doesn't get tangled and all, otherwise it's just annoying. What we're gonna do is that we are gonna apply oil on this section to, one, moisturize the hair, and second, to make sure that the braiding hair is gonna stick and blend together with my real hair, and maybe actually some of the honey nectar. So yeah, this product is amazing. It's so good at making my hair moisturized. So I'm gonna apply just a tiny bit, really not a lot. I don't want my hair to be super greasy or sliding because then I'm gonna apply the braiding hair. So I'm just applying a little bit and it's gonna be good for my hair. Perfect. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of oil. Same thing here, I'm applying just a little bit. That's it. Literally 2 or 3 drops is enough. Then I am again brushing my hair. And the last step before we start braiding is putting some gel at the very root, just so that your hair kind of stays all together and it doesn't start being frizzy and there is not some hair that start coming off the twist. So it's just to kind of like hold it all together basically. So I'm taking just a little bit again on the tip of my fingers and then I'm gonna put it on the root. Let me get closer because I'm pretty sure you couldn't see anything up there. Perfect. And now my hair is ready to braid. This is Ivy. I'm pretty sure you met her before if you watched my last video. And if you didn't, well, hi, this is Ivy, my little cat. I also have a dog, but he is a bit camera shy, so he's never on here on this channel, but we love him a lot. He's really cute. My piece of hair is ready, moisturized and detangled. I am separating into 2 pieces like so. I kind of twisted the braiding hair here, and then I am gonna put the middle basically of the braiding hair in between the 2 pieces that I created of my real hair, and then I'm gonna put this part of the braiding hair with this part of my real hair, and then I am gonna twist it. So I'm gonna twist it towards my face right now. And then I twist it until my scalp feels a little bit tight. And then I'm taking the other part of the braiding hair and the other part of my real hair. And I'm twisting it in the same direction. So I was twisting it like this right now towards my head. And I'm gonna twist this as well towards my face. Yeah, my face, sorry, not my head. So yeah, I twisted my hair towards my face. And then I'm gonna start doing the twist, right? And you want that in the opposite way. So instead of going this way towards my face, I'm gonna go this way towards the wall. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna twist and twist. And I'm gonna give you a little tip. You're basically gonna twist the 2 parts that you have on themselves. You're gonna twist them apart, and then you're gonna twist them together. Twist them apart, twist them together. And that's it. So don't forget to twist the hair separately and then twist them together. Twist the hair separately and twist them together. If I'm going to twist this way toward the wall, then I'm going to twist this way, the hair itself, towards my face. I hope it makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain and I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. It's probably been like 8 hours that I'm twisting my hair at that point. And then once you're at that stage, you're gonna take, so we're gonna leave a little bit more hair out. And then you're gonna take a little piece here. You're gonna do a little tie and then you grab it. You know, does that make sense? And you just tie it together. That's it. We're not done, okay? We need to do the ends. And in order to tie up the ends, you're basically going to dip them in boiling water. So you need to be careful during that process, but this is a really good way for the twist to not untwist, basically. So before you do that, you want to make sure that if ever you have any twist that you're not satisfied with and that you want to retwist together, let me give you an example. For instance, this is kind of like how most of my twists look like, at least from the front. And this is super thicker, like it has nothing to do with this. And if you would want to change that, if you would want to make this twist that is very thick, thinner, like the ones in the front, you would just undo it, redo it, and then you can dip your hair in boiling water, okay? I actually really like the fact that it's not even and perfect. I think it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Okay, so I have boiling water here. You don't have to use the kettle itself, okay? You can use like, I don't know, like a recipient or something where you can put the water in. Just make sure it's not plastic, otherwise it's gonna melt. And then you're gonna take one. Oh Okay, this is dangerous. Like, this is literally the kind of thing you don't want to do, so please don't do that. Just go somewhere stable where the water is not gonna splash on you. Okay, so I'm literally standing on my bathtub, like on the edge of my bathtub, so it makes no sense. But yeah, and then you are gonna dip. Oh my god, this is so dangerous, I know it. You're gonna dip the twist inside, just like so, and you're basically gonna, this is so dangerous. You're gonna put it in and out, in and out. This is so dangerous. Okay, I'll do it like this. Safer, much safer. Be careful because the ends are gonna be dripping and it's boiling water dripping, so you don't want to put it on yourself. Perfect, looking good. We have one last single step, and this will be to cut the ends that are looking crazy. Literally grab a pair of scissors. If your hair is this long that you have your own hair here, be super careful that you're not cutting your own hair. For me, this is not the case, okay? My real hair is probably ending here, so we're good. This is how it looks. And you're gonna have to do that one by one on an individual basis. Guess what? We are done! Oh my god, so happy. I really like it. I really like it. It's a vibe. It's not perfect, but it's completely fine, okay? Embrace being perfectly imperfect. So yeah, I'll just wrap up the video, say bye, and give you a little bit of an overview of like the whole process and everything. And yeah, we'll call it a video, a night, a day. I don't know at that point, I'm just tired. Hey guys, so I am done with my twist. As you can see, it turned out pretty good. At least I like it. It's not perfect, okay? Not all the twists are even and not all the ends are perfect and everything, but I think it's a great protective style to do, especially when you're at home and you're just like, you know, probably on your sofa 24/7, so you're kind of like rubbing your hair against the pillows or whatever's behind you. So I don't know, I think it's a good thing to just, you know, have your hair protective style, super easy. You wake up in the morning, you might have to do a little bit of maintaining your hair, and this is gonna be my next video actually. I'm gonna show you guys how do you maintain your hair and how do you grow your hair when it's in a protective style like those twists that I have. So tune in, subscribe to my channel, okay, and give a thumb up to that video if you liked it, and thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you very soon. Bye!